What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Man Mike, and we're back for another video. Alright, in this video I'm just going to be showing you my daily routine that I do pretty much every day, with the exception of like one step. But yeah, every day I do the same thing pretty much. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what I do for my waves every single day. Before this video gets started, can you go ahead and leave a like on this video, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe right now. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away a brush. Let me show you the brush I'm gonna give away first. This is the type of brush that will be featured in the giveaway. So when I hit 50,000 subscribers, you can enter for a chance to win a brush like this. As you can see, limited edition Smooth Styles products. Alright, so every morning when I take my do-rag off, I take it off my head. I'm usually in the bathroom. I'm like standing in the bathroom mirror. Like, this is usually like right after I get out the shower and finish brushing my teeth. Then I take my do-rag off, I look at my hair in the mirror, you know, just see what's up. And I usually, like in the morning, I usually just grab a soft brush. I just go in and brush my hair with a soft brush on all my sides. Sometimes I'll brush it like, depending on how I feel, like maybe 10 minutes, maybe. Sometimes I'd like just do a certain amount of strokes on each side. Like, you know, the 500 stroke challenge. So I'll probably do like 100, 100, 100, 100, and then the crown 100. If you don't know what a crown is, then you should probably go check my crown method video so you can, you know, get up to date, get up to speed with the rest of the wave community, so you can, you know what every part of your head is called. So every day in the morning, after I take my do-rag off, I go in with a soft brush. Depending on when the last time I put like a moisturizer or something in my hair, I'll probably go ahead and put a moisturizer in. Right now, this is my favorite moisturizer. This is the coconut and hibiscus kids curling buttercream. This is kind of the same as Curl Enhancer Smoothie. I had that over there too, but this one I kind of like this one better than the actual one. The kids one is better. It doesn't make your hair frizz up as much. With that one, your hair like over curls and stuff, and I don't really like that. I mean, I like the product, but I like this one better. After I do that, I'll probably put this Wolfen pomade in my hair. This one's by Cold Label, and I'll go ahead and brush my hair with the soft brush again, and then I'll do the plastic bag method, where you put your hand in the plastic bag and you brush your hair like with the plastic bag, and it'll lay your hair down. So after you do all that, then you're pretty much, you know, you're ready to go out like for the day, because your hair is laid down, your waves look nice, and all that. My hair doesn't really look that good right now because I didn't really brush it right before this video. I brushed it a couple of hours ago, maybe like 4 hours ago. I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, you're ready to go out throughout the day. Then when you come back to your house or wherever you're at, then you can do like a real brush session. So you can grab a medium brush or you can grab a hard brush. I prefer to use a hard brush first, and then use a medium brush, and then a soft brush, and then the plastic bag. If you do it in that order, it gives the best results. So I say probably do like 500 strokes with the hard brush. So 100 on the side, 100 on the top, 100 on the other side, 100 on the back, and then 100 on the crown with the hard brush. And then you could do maybe 50 on each side with the medium brush, and then you can do another 50 with the soft brush. You don't really have to count the strokes though, for real. You could just do like, you know, what's it called? Oh, a time limit. So you brush your hair maybe 30 minutes with the hard brush, 15 minutes with the medium brush, and 10 minutes or 5 minutes with the soft brush. However long it takes you to lay your hair down. After you do that, go in with the plastic bag. You could do that for maybe like 2 to 5 minutes. It doesn't really need to be that long, you know what I mean? It doesn't need to take forever just to do the plastic bag, because you're probably gonna see results from doing the plastic bag method like instantly. The plastic bag method, if you haven't been using it, like, you need to start using it. The plastic bag method is the truth. It's the truth. Like, if you don't do it, you need to start doing it, because it's that It's that good. All right, so what else? What did I miss? Oh yeah. After you do all that, then you just put your do-rag on. Once you put your do-rag on, you can go to sleep. You can just go throughout your entire day. Well, no, not entire day, because the day's over. But you just put your do-rag on, go to sleep, wake up, and do that same thing over and over again. But you don't really need to put the moisturizer or grease or pomade in your hair every single day. If you're using a moisturizer, I say maybe use it maybe once every 2 days. For grease, I say maybe twice a week. And then for a pomade, I say maybe once a week. Because since greases and pomades are a lot heavier, you don't want them to start building up in your hair. You know what I mean? So you want to use them less often than you do a moisturizer, which is gonna, eventually just go away by itself. Because it's kind of like, like when you put lotion on your skin and your skin absorbs it, that's kind of what your hair does with moisturizer. But when you put Vaseline or something on your skin doesn't really absorb that. It waits till it gets wiped off or washed off, and then it's gone. Unless you're like me right now, and your lips are like, kind of dry. Put Vaseline on them, it's gonna absorb that. But that's off topic. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. That's pretty much all I can think of. If you got any more things that you do in your daily method, go ahead and comment that down below in the comment section. Oh, wait, I did forget something. This is important too. Every single day, I drink an entire gallon of water. You see, I'm almost done right now. It's all the way down there. And it's still, I can't even see that far. But it's still like 12, it's like noon right now. So it's before 1 p.m. and I'm almost done. That's how dedicated I am to drinking a gallon every single day. It's gonna be hard to do it at first, but believe me, it's gonna pay off. Like drinking a gallon a day, like before I started, like you see I have like a pimple right here. I used to have like 5 pimples, no, maybe like 3 pimples all the time. Like ever since I started drinking a gallon of water a day, my acne's just been clearing up. My skin looks great. Like my muscles been growing a lot faster. Everything just, water is just the key to life. Like you lose weight, your hair starts being a lot healthier, so it starts growing faster, it looks silkier, it looks better. Just, drink a lot of water every single day. I'm not saying you have to drink a whole gallon. Maybe drink a half gallon. Just stick to drinking a lot of water. Maybe like 5 bottles of water every single day. That's all you need. For real. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is WavemanMike. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's it for this video. Enjoy your day.
Wait. Before you go, I've got a secret for you. Aren't you glad you didn't leave yet? Because I'm about to teach you how to enter the giveaway early. See, it really pays off to watch the entire video, because those who left early won't even know about this part of the video, and they won't even know what's going on. But right now, I'm about to teach you, and only you, who watched to the entire end of the video. Wow, that made no sense grammatically. But anyway, who watched the entire video, how to enter. So, the instructions are actually on the screen, but I'm going to read them out to you. To enter, you must 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. 2. Like this video. 3. Watch all my future videos, because you never know when I'll say something about the giveaway. 4. Follow my Instagram. My Instagram is WavemanMike. 5. Comment, I want to enter the giveaway. And 6. Like this comment. Well, yeah, see, this was originally a comment for another video, so don't even pay attention to number 6. But yeah, make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. You literally can't enter the giveaway unless you're a subscriber. So yeah, like this video, because yeah, you need to like the video too. Watch all my future videos. You never know when I'm going to say something about the giveaway and tell you like a clue that you need to know. You need to be following my Instagram account. I'm going to check. I'm also going to check if you're subscribed. and I'm going to check for your comments. So make sure you do all these things.